Not yet. Hold. Hold. It's official. The road trip has begun. First leg is to Cleveland, Ohio. Pretty excited about this trip because I get to go international for baseball purposes, really. I get to go to Canada for my first time seeing a game there, and then go over to wonderful Michigan to see some of my relatives, basically. Go to Bellevue, Michigan, and then complete the trip in Milwaukee. Cuyahoga Valley National Park. We're gonna go to Brandywine Falls. Just around sunset. Let's go to the falls. Made it to the falls. Good morning from Cleveland. Fun times in Cleveland today. So you might be asking, what are you doing today, Tony? Good question. I am going right now to the West Side Market in search of a pawpaw. It is native to Ohio and a fruit that is actually tropical, oddly enough. And I believe it's the largest native to America fruit that we have around. So I really want to try that. It's supposed to taste delicious. And then go into a record store, maybe fit in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, you know, go to an Indians game because when in town, and then drive to Toronto. So here's the trip. Son of a... The coffee shop and record store known as Loop. Let's go in there, check it out, see what they got. I believe this is a pawpaw tree, but no fruit. Still striking out. Or is this one of the trees? Huh. Just outside the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and we got the first of 4 Great Lakes that I'm gonna see. Things are looking eerie. Good old Alice in Chains from their music video. And look at that sick set list. Escape to Field by Lane Staley. Oh man. And a little bit of Kurt Cobain, I mean, it's alright. I think these guys are going to be big. What do you think?
And there's lots of group activity going on. I love cartoons, I love the Disney.
Finally made it home. Let's go over here and see a little bit of history. Oh, well, would you look at that? 7th Street entry. I see you, hold steady. Up with Prince and the Replacements. Nice. Are we not men? We are. Devo. Yes! Good job, guys. Hi, Axel. This one's for you, Dad. Yes, please. Happy birthday to me. Since it's a holiday, I can't find my pawpaw. But this birthday cake Slurpee, it'll do. Welcome to Progressive Field, home of the Clevelanders. Gonna watch the Cleveland Ball Club host Kansas City Royals. Check out the outside, then go in the stadium. I'm a little bit early, but free parking because it is a holiday. Bueno. Third time's the charm. Barring something terrible, I think I can finally cross off Progressive from my list. Went here, well, tried to go here twice last year. Once it got rained out on a road trip with Jared when we did the East Coast stuff. And then I think sometime in July I tried to go, but ended up getting kidney stones on the way. Half hour before gates, and look what we got. Some rain. Even harder. Well, it's raining again. Tarp is on the field. No BP. Royals are finishing up. But I got one. Yeah, the streak continues. Another stadium off the list.
And thank you, Harris Carter. Hitting fifth, the right fielder, number 38, Jorge Bonifacio. Batting sixth, the center, number 53, Melky Cabrera. Hitting seventh, left side.
Sorry. This should have an explicit tag here. On the board with one gamer. Kind of awkward in between some other guys' feet, but you snooze, you lose. And that makes 3 for the day. I'm waiting. Will they hit it here? That's a wrap. Royals win 5-1. Temps in the 90s, nice and sweaty. Royals win. Fun times. Nice to finally cross off Progressive off my list. And onward we go. The drive to Toronto begins now. Buffalo skyline at night. Okay. Canada. And welcome. I am now in Canada. Saw the flag. I'm gonna go get some syrup. Rock and roll.